Hello and welcome back. By now, we have learned what NotebookLM is, how it can help us, and what it looks like. In this module, we will take a step further and understand the advanced and unique features of NotebookLM. These features are what makes NotebookLM NotebookLM. For the basic question and answer sort of chats that we explored in the last module, well, we can use any other AI chatbot. But the features we are going to explore here are those that you will not find anywhere else. NotebookLM is the only AI platform offering these capabilities. So why wait? Let's try out these features on NotebookLM right away. You will find all of these features under the Studio section in your notebook. To name them, these include Audio and Video Overview, Mind Map, Reports, Flashcards, Quiz, and the newly added Infographic and Slide Deck. To start with, you simply have to set up your notebook as we did in the previous section, which means upload your source documents and links and keep your notebook ready. Once it is ready, all you have to do is click on these features and NotebookLM will do the rest. Yes, it's that simple. Now let's try out these features one by one and find out what they really do. First up is Audio Overview. This is hands down my favorite feature of NotebookLM. What it does is create an entire podcast episode based on the material you have uploaded. So instead of reading information like learning from a book, you can listen to it in a conversational format between two people. The best part is you can listen to this podcast while traveling, exercising, or even revising before exams. To try it out, all I have to do is click on Audio Overview. Note that you will have to wait for about 5 minutes before it gives the final output. I had generated the audio overview for this notebook already, so let me play it to give you a glimpse of how it sounds.
Oh, absolutely.
You know, maybe it's that 2-hour crawl from the marina in San Francisco all the way down to San Jose.
Right.
Or maybe you're listening from Mumbai, where, a 20-mile commute can take 90 minutes just sitting there?
It's an incredible cost. And not just in time. When you look at the scale of it, the research is pretty staggering.
How bad is it?
Now that's a whole new way of learning stuff, right? Now NotebookLM has recently brought in an update where you can join this podcast style conversation as well. Simply click on the interactive mode and grant access to your microphone, and you can join the podcast in real time as a guest. Next is Video Overview, which is like audio overview but with visuals doing the heavy lifting. Instead of a podcast, NotebookLM creates a complete video explainer of your uploaded material. So if you prefer watching and learning, this one is for you. It highlights the main points, adds clean text layouts, and narrates everything for you, almost like having your own mini documentary based on your notes. To try it out, again, just click on Video Overview. It will take a couple of minutes to finish processing, depending on the length of your sources, but trust me, the wait is worth it. I have already generated the video overview for this notebook. Let me quickly show you a part of it, and you'll see how beautifully NotebookLM turns plain documents into a watchable lesson.
Today, we're jumping into a fascinating white paper from 2016 that painted a picture of a future that's maybe not so far off. A future where on-demand flying vehicles could totally change how we get around every single day. So let's take a look at this vision for a world above the traffic. All right, let's start with just a number, 230. What on earth could that be? Well, that's how many hours the average person in San Francisco just lost, gone. The ground up to be quiet, to have zero emissions, to be...
Now that is what I call a super detailed and immersive video. NotebookLM is improving this feature rapidly. So expect more templates, more visuals, and more control over how your generated video looks in the coming updates. Now let's explore one of the most visually exciting features, Mind Map. If you have ever struggled to understand how different concepts connect with each other, this feature will feel like magic. NotebookLM takes all the information from your sources and automatically arranges it into a branch-style map, something like a table of contents but more visual. So instead of scrolling through long paragraphs, you instantly see the big picture in one view. To try it out, all you have to do is click on Mind Map. NotebookLM will take a moment to analyze your content, and then boom, your entire topic gets converted into an interactive diagram. You can click on any branch to reveal subpoints, expand ideas, and explore relationships between concepts. It's like your notes have drawn themselves out on a digital whiteboard. As a bonus, this makes revision 1,000 times easier, especially when the subject feels overwhelming. One click and you get all the clarity you need. Next is reports. Sometimes you don't want scattered answers but a strict format, maybe a policy briefing or a study guide. Reports is one feature that will compile all the information within your material and give you a clean, organized, and ready-to-use report in the format you want. To generate a report, just click on Reports and describe what type of report you need. You can choose from briefing doc, study guide, blog post, or basically describe any sort of report that you want. NotebookLM will take a few seconds and then your polished report appears. No copy pasting or formatting headaches. I've already made a briefing doc for this notebook. Let me open it for you. Here, you can see how neatly everything is laid out within the report and how NotebookLM has managed to compile hundreds of pages worth of information in a single report. All of this in one click. Next is flashcards. If you've ever revised for an exam, you know how handy flashcards can be. Well, flashcards in NotebookLM serve the same purpose. These are your instant revision buddies. For this, NotebookLM looks through your sources and automatically picks out the important facts, formulas, and definitions, then turns them into neat question-answer cards. You just click flashcards and your personalized revision deck is ready. You can flip through each card, test yourself, and mark the ones you want to review again. So no more spending hours in flipping through all the pages for revision. Let me open the set I generated earlier. You can see how quick and clean this is, and how this can be a game changer for prepping up at the last minute, be it an exam or a meeting. Next up is quiz. If flashcards help you revise, quiz helps you check how well you've actually understood things. NotebookLM takes your uploaded sources and creates multiple choice practice questions based only on your content. Just click quiz and start testing yourself. Let me show you one from this notebook. You will see how it directly asks what's inside our notes. And the best part, it gives you an expanded context of each of the answers once you respond, whether correctly or incorrectly. Basically, every answer means real learning. It's a super helpful way to find out what you have mastered and what still needs a quick revision. Next is infographic. This one is a relatively new feature in NotebookLM and it has blown up the internet ever since Google introduced it. Why? Well, it basically compiles all the information from your uploaded sources and makes one super comprehensive and amazingly accurate infographic depicting that information. Needless to say, this feature is a game changer for presenting any complex topics or depicting a lot of information within a single window. Here is what NotebookLM generated for our Uber Elevate PDF. One look and you can see how super cool and informative this is, right? Next is slide deck. Forget Microsoft PowerPoint, NotebookLM is here. Remember how we spent hours and days creating the perfect presentation based on our data? Gone. With NotebookLM's new game changer, all it needs is a single click and all your data and information will be converted into a super neat presentation. I generated one for our project earlier. Have a look at how great of a presentation NotebookLM was able to make. The layout, visuals, infographics, text, everything is super amazing and so on point. As of now, you cannot edit the presentation as such, but that might be because the feature is in beta mode right now. I'm sure in the future, NotebookLM will have such an editing option available for slide decks. And that's it. Now you know of all the advanced features inside NotebookLM Studio. Each one is built to save your time and make learning a lot more fun. From podcasts to mind maps, from reports to entire presentations, NotebookLM does in seconds what usually takes us hours. In the next module, we'll move beyond exploring and actually use these features to build something real. A complete learning workflow from start to finish. So stay with me and let's keep unlocking the true power of NotebookLM.